Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to track insiders' wallets. Okay, people are actually quite successful in trading meme coins. All right, so few tools I want to show you in this particular one. But before we start, I just want to tell you that this is not a financial advice. Everything I'm showing here is for only for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay, it's very risky to trade crypto, so stay safe out there. Okay, it's not for as a financial advice. It's just for entertainment, okay, and educational. So guys, as I said, like Kolscan. First and foremost, what the Kolscan is. So you can go and track the top meme coin traders in real time. All right. Let's say that you have a wallet idea. You can go and just drop it there, and they're gonna show you what the fella or he or she is actually doing right now. All right. So what they trading. Kolscan is actually quite cool because they also have their own coin, and you can go and trade it. You can go and buy it. So they are actually currently on this level here. So yeah, you can definitely go and trade them as well if you want to do so. All right, so now let's go to the leaderboard. The leaders are showing this way. All right, so they tell, according to them, realized PNL leaderboard. Okay, daily, weekly, monthly. We can go to change to the monthly. Okay, or we can stay weekly or daily. All right. So today, Frank is on the top, right, and you have a few others there. Orange is on sixth place. On the subject of Orange, actually, I don't know, guys, if you know, but Orange runs his own potion community. Okay, so the one-stop shop for meme coins, it's called. Okay, potion discord access. All right, so it's quite popular. It's actually seventh out of the all those thousands and thousands communities available on Whoop. Okay, so people actually are joining very heavily, and you can start for free. Right, so you can go and start Discord, and plus you got a tracker. Okay, and it's all free. All right, for free Discord access, track up to 5 wallets with unlimited notifications, 20 notifications per minute, 200 per hour maximum notifications per day, 1000, and so on and so forth. And it's all free. If you want to join, and there are paid versions definitely also available. Okay, so it's subscriptions based. Okay, like a single payment or subscription. It's up to you, but definitely you can go and check it out for free. And it's look, it's 3,328 people already joined. Okay, 4.7 stars, 244 reviews. So yeah, very popular. And why I'm saying that, because I don't know if you know Orange. Orange is quite popular in the meme coin community, in meme coin trader community. Okay, he's very successful trader. He done this business in last 1 year. He's very open in what he is saying. Okay, he runs his own YouTube channel. I do encourage you to go visit his YouTube channel. It's very interesting. You can learn a lot. I think it's very cool. Plus, now he runs his own. He and obviously his mates. They run this group. Okay, which everyone is can have access to. Okay, I'll be leaving the link to that group inside the comment of the below this video. Okay, so let's go back to the topic. So Kolscan. All right. So now we see what the orange is actually holding in this particular wallet. Okay, so 59,000 is already $59,200. They are top holdings. Okay, Sol 58,704 makes sense because he's mostly trading on Sol, a Solana network. Okay, and he's trading meme coins, right? So this all makes sense. So you can click the copy trade here. You can check by 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and so on and so forth. All right, so the next tool I want to show you is okay, let's go and copy this one. It's called GMGN. All right, so if we just go and paste his wallet once again over here, we're gonna see what's the last 7-day PNL plus 37%. Okay, he's up 107,000 US dollars, right? So and win rate is 57%. Okay, and those are actually recent trades. Okay, they on this particular one, what's happened. Okay, so in the last hour, we made so many trades here. here on last hour very heavily trading, okay, and those type of things he actually done it. All right, so activity, recent PNLs, and recent and holdings, okay, so what is been actually hold here, and plus activity, okay, very 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 useful tool to have also in your belt, okay. GMGN it's called. You can follow it, you can follow this his this wallet, okay. You can copy trade if you want. I'm another videos I'm gonna show you, I may show you how to do it. All right, another thing I want to show, it's called Bird Eye, okay. Bird Eye, very interesting as well, okay. You got charts, you got Solana charts, okay, Sui, Ethereum, BNB chain, and others, okay. Bubble maps, very interesting here. And also if we go and just paste this, okay, let's take to the same wallet, okay, again, wallet value 58,000, okay, very close to 59,200 what they saying over here. So yeah, that's the one. Top holdings, everything has been clearly explained here, okay. And like again, you can go and mark your own alerts, okay. You can share that wallet if somebody 38 people are currently watching it, okay. So that's on the Bird Eye, another very useful tool. You can go and you start using it. The third tool I want to share with you, it's called Cielo. Cielo is also very nice and interesting one. You can go and you can go and check the most powerful users, for example, at the moment. And for example, DeFi power users, and this particular wallet actually was using this, it was trading heavily on Ethereum network, and this all can be done as well over here, okay. So one of these tools you might also go and start using it, okay. You can go and check your wallets, public lists, my wallets, custom alerts, and everything else. So I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. Again, just encourage you to go and join this free Discord run by Orange, okay. I'll be leaving the link below. And this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I would much appreciate it if you can subscribe to this channel, because it will definitely help the algorithm to show to more people. And once again, thank you, and have a good day or have a good evening.